Welcome to our channel, Evoke Stoicism. Have you ever pondered if the wisdom of the ancients could be the key to our modern lives? Let's delve into the world of Stoicism, a philosophy born in the cradle of civilization yet strikingly relevant in our fast-paced, technology-driven era. Evoke Stoicism, our channel, strives to unearth these timeless principles, helping you navigate life's challenges with grace and resilience. We breathe new life into age-old teachings, applying them to our everyday lives. Welcome to Evoke Stoicism, where we bridge the gap between ancient wisdom and today's challenges. Stoicism transformed my life. For 10 years, from age 50 to 60, I wrestled with the bipolar affective disorder. It was a battle filled with severe highs and lows. But amidst the chaos, I stumbled upon an ancient philosophy that would become my lifeline: Stoicism. The Stoic principles of balance in mind and spirit taught me to weather the storm and to find inner tranquility. I learned resilience, self-discipline, and mindfulness. Stoicism became more than a philosophy. It became a way of life. My journey with Stoicism also led me to create a sister channel, Holistic Wellness 24/7. I'm pleased to reveal that my incorporation of the principles of Stoicism and holistic wellness has enabled me to be free of all symptoms and the need for medication for over 11 years. The Evoke Stoicism channel delves deeper into the concept of balance, exploring how we can achieve it in every aspect of our lives. Through the darkest times, Stoicism was my guiding light, and I emerged stronger than ever. Every Monday and Thursday, we delve deeper into the teachings of Stoicism. This ancient philosophy, brimming with timeless wisdom, offers a path to serenity and strength, a compass guiding us through life's potentially tumultuous seas. Imagine being part of a community, exploring these principles, applying them in your daily lives, fostering resilience and tranquility. So why wait? Push that subscribe button, join the journey, participate in the learning process. Subscribe and join us on this fulfilling journey.